Hey, in this short, we're going to be taking this piece, as well as this piece, and welding them together. So, first things first, I'm going to clamp them together with some tape in order to create the classic faceplate shape, and I will cut back when that's done. Awesome. So now that this is clamped together with just some pieces of tape, I'm going to go to this crease on the back here where they connect, and I'm going to put a line of solder there. This won't look pretty, but that's why we're doing it from the inside and not the shiny outside. So, to do that, I have my soldering iron here, heated up, and I'm just going across, making little X's at first. The reason I do an X is because that melts it into each other. And then once I make a few X's along, to sort of strengthen it, after I do that, I will do a solid line across the whole thing. As you can see there, I've done like about 4 little X's, if the camera focuses on it. And I just do that along the whole thing. And now that I have those X's, I can take the blade or point and just go all the way along it. Just vibrate it just a little to try to seal it. And none of this is visible from the outside, which makes it a great way to merge the prints. There is no hot glue involved. The only thing involved here is heat, specifically a 900-degree soldering iron. And then, let's go down here now, continue the process. Is this a perfect method? No. Are there some imperfections along the line? Yeah. But it's good enough for the process. That's done. That's now a solid seal. I'm going to take off this tape. And it'll be connected. Now with that line done, we are left with this beautiful finished print. Sturdy, connected to itself, and doesn't wiggle at all. So now I can add this to my collection of prints. Put it right there with the helmet.